The children here at King St Albans are lucky enough to be taught science in a fully equipped science laboratory with access to a whole range of scientific apparatus, including water, electricity and even gas. This prepares them thoroughly for any future science lessons, especially at secondary level, as they can carry out proper scientific experiments. We also offer a range of clubs. In Science Club, the children have been wowed by some fascinating experiments. In Engineering Club, they've been able to design, try and redesign their own creations with real problem solving at its core. And in Nature Club, we've been able to make use of the beautiful Forest School area. Science should be a practical subject, but also fun and thought-provoking, and that perfectly describes science here at King St Albans.